Hello viewers, I am Rakib. In this video, I will show you how to create an action in Photoshop and perform batch edit. Basically, action is a combination of some commands or effects, and that means if you make a lot of adjustments and apply some effects in an image and wish to save all this for many other images, then you can save all these changes as an action and use it later. As action is allowing you to do the changes manually at once and then applying the exact same thing to a large number of images, so it will save much of your time. So let's see how we can create an action. First, we will come to this actions panel. If you can't find it here, then you can go to Windows and select actions from here and it will appear. You will only see these default actions set here. It also contains some actions, but we will create our own. First, we have to create a set by clicking here. You can rename it. I will keep it as set 1. A set is the container of the actions. Now we will create our action. We will click this create new action button from here and we will get this box. You should name it according to what it will do. The set will be the one in which we are creating the action. So in this case it is set 1. If there were several sets, then you could choose the one in which you want to create this new action. Function key works as a keyboard shortcut. You have to come to this actions panel and select the action and then press the play button to initiate it, or alternatively you can use this function key to initiate it immediately. And if you have assigned this function key for an action earlier, then you can add Ctrl or Shift or both with it. And you can select a color for this action. Maybe it will help you to sort this particular action. I will select none and uncheck Shift and Ctrl. We'll click record. So now it will record what changes or commands we will apply. Let's add an adjustment layer, hue saturation. Let's add another adjustment layer. So we just made 2 adjustments or 2 changes. Now you can see all the changes are recorded in this action. So now we will stop recording. Our action is created. Now we can use this action in any other images. When we will apply this action, then the exact same effects or changes will be made into that image. So here is another image. If we select this action and press the play button, then you can see those same changes are being applied here with just one click. So that's what actions do. You can save a lot of tasks in an action and apply them in a large number of images to save your time. Similarly, if we press the function key F2, then it would do the same thing. So in this way, if you insert hundreds of images and apply the action and then save manually, then it would also take a lot of times. So for batch image editing, we can also automate these things and save times. Let's see how we can do that. Here is our action. You can see 4 steps in it. If you want to remove any step, then you can select that step and click this trash icon to remove it. Similarly, you can add steps in it. To do that, we will select the last step from here and we'll click the record button again. Then we will go to File, Save As, and we'll add an extra character to avoid replacing the original image. We'll keep the quality high and save it. So we have added a step in this action, which is save. So now this action will not only make the changes but also will save it after that. Let's press the stop button. Let's close this image files and we'll also remove the image that we just edited and saved. Now you can see 10 images in the source folder and the destination folder is blank. We will edit the 10 images of the source folder and save them in the destination folder. Let's see how we can automate that entire process using Photoshop. Go to File, Automate, Batch. From here we will select which action we want to apply. Set is set 1, action is action 1 which we just created. Source folder, click here to select the source directory. This source folder is our source directory. Let's click OK. We just set the source. Now we have to set the destination folder. For the destination directory, we are selecting this folder destination. Override action save as commands. You have to check it if not checked. When you save an image using save as command, then you see a box to choose the image quality. If you check this option, then it will not show you this box, rather it will follow the kind settings to save the images during this process. So after completion of this setup, we will click OK. Now you can see Photoshop is automatically performing the whole process. Now if we check the destination folder, you can see all the edited images here, and you can also notice that it is the exact same change that we recorded into the action. So in this way you can perform batch image editing using Photoshop actions. So that's all. I hope you will be able to use Photoshop actions to save much of your times. If you like this video, then you can give a thumbs up and share it. And for more videos like this, you can subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.